Everybody knows what to do when a fire alarm goes off. It has meaning. Here's something I don't know anybody that's ever done. Nobody's ever made a flashcard that says fire alarm goes off. And on the backside, it says leave the building. Right? We all know what to do. And probably we all know what to do having learned this lesson once. The first time we ever did a fire drill, the alarm goes off. It creates this panic. Heart starts racing. Sound out of nowhere. It's logical that it would be that loud. It's logical that to wake you up, to snap you out of whatever you're in, to get your attention on this flashing light and this loud sound. That's logical. It makes sense that the sound would be that loud. And it has meaning because if there's a fire, we have to get out of the building. So all of us have wired into our long-term memory what to do when a fire alarm goes off. That kind of shows the importance of those two questions. Can we make organic chemistry like a fire alarm? No. Organic chemistry is not going to save your life in the immediate way that a fire alarm would, but we could say it's going to save lives through the development of drugs and et cetera, et cetera. We won't get into that in this video, but the point is a fire alarm, we know what to do in that case because it's logical and it has meaning. And so again, how do we use that for this course is let's try to do the same thing for the material that we're about to study. And by the way, that has application in whatever you're studying. Physics, psychology, philosophy, any of these things, make it logical and make it have meaning and you'll remember.